I'm currently running my own business, which is a bagel shop and a sandwich shop and a coffee shop in the same time, 3 in 1. I always wanted to get into IT, to get into the computer in general for the longest time, because I did that before already. I did that as working for people, and I actually took a computer science degree also a bunch of years ago, but I still ended up doing my own business, not in that career. I always wanted to go back to it at some point, and I found this particular opportunity. I think it fits me very good for a lot of reasons. You know, I can work from home. Probably I can have another tool in my pocket to do something else beside my business that can give me more flexibility to work some decent job anywhere I want, even from home.